We have obviously experts who are trying to model for us and to tell us if we are at 50 now, where do we expect to be in the next 1 week? And you know if we maintain distance, then it cannot grow exponentially. But if we do not maintain distance, obviously it will grow exponentially. Because what it means is that if I have it, and I'm contacting all these people, they are all going to get it. But if I don't come in contact with any of them, it means I'm likely to stay alone and possibly turn negative at some point. That is why the most successful cases are cases where people agreed to keep social distance, to wash their hands, and to take the disease seriously. It is those countries that have done well, and it is in those countries that people are able to maintain it. We still have a chance. According to the statistics that are there, when you look at the growth patterns in other nations, it tells you that Kenyans have still got a chance if and only if we can take the steps that we are proposing and follow them diligently. People should not look at it as if the government is trying to force them to do something. On the contrary, knowing now what we know and knowing that the transmission is here now, what we should be doing is saying to ourselves, this is the time for us to do whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. If I have the virus within 14 days, it will show. If you can stay away from me for 14 days, if I have it, it will show you and you can stay away from me then. But what we are saying is that there is no pattern that we can really say this is the one that Kenya is going to follow.